In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove account restriction on Facebook. If your Facebook account has been restricted, certain actions like posting, commenting, or sending messages may be limited. The first thing you want to do is understand why. Open Facebook and check your notifications. You'll typically see a message explaining the reason for the restriction and any time frame attached to it. Read this carefully so you know exactly what triggered it and what Facebook expects from you. If you don't see a notification, tap your profile icon. Open your profile, then tap the three dots on your profile page. Look for profile status. This section shows any violations tied to your account. Take a moment to review them so you understand whether it's a temporary limit or something that requires action from you. Next, tap the profile icon again and go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and open the Account Center. Inside the Account Center, go to Personal Details. From there, tap Identity Confirmation. Select Confirm Your Identity and follow the prompts. You may be asked to upload a valid government-issued ID. Make sure the photo of your ID is clear, well lit, and not cropped, and that the name and date of birth match your Facebook account details. This step helps verify that you're the rightful owner of the account, which is often required for restrictions related to security or policy checks. Submit the information and wait for the confirmation screen before exiting. After that, go back, tap the profile icon again, scroll down to Help and Support, and choose Report a Problem. Follow the on-screen steps to describe what's happening. Briefly explain that your account is restricted, mention that you reviewed your violations and confirmed your identity, and request a review. Keep your message clear and respectful, and avoid sharing any sensitive personal details in the description. If the app offers a way to include screenshots, share only what's necessary to illustrate the issue. Now wait for Facebook to review your case. Some restrictions are temporary and will be lifted automatically once the review is complete. This can take time, so check your notifications periodically for updates. It's best not to submit multiple reports for the same issue, as that can slow things down. While you wait, avoid any behavior that might trigger additional violations and keep your app updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials.